the thing about only being the only one on a not in service bus, bro. You feel like you got VIP, mate. That's the thing. When you're on a bus that's not in service, you feel like you literally got VIP membership on the bus, fam. TFL, just give me VIP off like TFL public transport, man. Let me ride all the flipping trains, buses, whatever when they're not in service, man. Just give me that VIP membership. Oh, he's gonna start from here. I see. I'm gonna start onto like the 386 again. Okay.